Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your PowerPoint presentation. If you've been wondering how to do this, stick around until the end and you'll be a pro in no time. Let's start. First things first, open up your PowerPoint project. Whether you're starting fresh or working on an existing presentation, just get that file ready. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. From there, select Pictures. This will allow you to browse your files. Find the GIF you want to add, click on it, and then hit Insert. Voila! The GIF is now in your presentation, but you might notice it's not moving just yet. Don't worry. To see the GIF in action, just press F5 on your keyboard or click on the slideshow button at the bottom of your screen, and there you have it. Your GIF is now moving just like it should, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, I'd love it if you could leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. It really means a lot. If you're interested in more helpful tips and tricks, consider subscribing to my channel. Together, we can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.